I'm Nivedita, the CEO and co-founder of Kamet AI. So Kamet is here to help you increase your efficiency and realize your full potential of your automation environment. And helping me in this journey is a brilliant team that's helping me realize this startup. So let's start with the story. So after having had conversations with over 300 customers who were investing in automation in manufacturing and warehouse, there was the same standard complaint across all of them. Number one, that the tools for automation, machines, systems, all are extremely siloed and fragmented. Number two, because of that, they are unable to go fast and even scale faster. And the third biggest issue, there is tremendous amount of interdependency between machines, systems. However, there is no insight into any of these interdependencies. And when failures and outages occur, it causes tremendous amount of operational losses and even revenue losses. So let's look at some of the operational challenges that happens. Here are a few of them. One of the most important one is inefficiency in configurations of these machines and systems, whether it's speed, whether it's battery power, or any other parameters. Another one that you hear commonly is collision and blockages within the shop floor that tend to bring down operations completely. Another one which you have heard quite often is incompatibility between software versions, between machines and systems. You all heard and saw CrowdStrike. And few others, mainly focused on security, safety, environmental, and mechanical risks. So our solution is leveraging AI. We've built in this predictive analytics tool that gives you insight into this interdependency. We are triangulating information across machines, systems, and humans, and giving you insights before the failures happen. So that way you can minimize these operational losses and the revenue losses that they cause. So in the audience, all you operational heads, now is the time to use this tool to help you justify your automation. So life without us is extremely challenging. Multiple consoles, too hard to discover, sometimes taking days to find out the cause of the failures, disjointed solution. And with us, a single pane of glass, predictive AI through machine systems and humans, reducing your triage time by 30%. This is our market traction all across, from design partners all the way to tech partners. I'm sure there are partners here. If you'd like to join in this landscape, reach out to us. And this is our milestone. We are a 9-month-old company. We launched our MVP in October, and since then we've added 2 more design partners. Again, lastly, all I would say is all customers here, come and engage with us. Let us help you increase your automation efficiency and justify your automation investment. Thank you.